Hey, what's up guys? Roberto Escobar, brother of deceased Colombian drug lord Pablo Escobar, has launched a completely foldable smartphone, Escobar Fold 1, which features a unique flexible screen allowing a user to fold their regular phones into a tablet size with a staggering price tag of $349. Yes, you heard me right, it's a foldable phone at a price tag of $349. I was awestruck when I heard the price. For comparison, the Samsung Fold goes for $2,000. Not only that, even any normal, that is non-foldable flagship phone costs more than $700. Similar to Samsung's Galaxy Fold, the Escobar Fold 1 features a flexible screen that allows users to fold it into a tablet. While it may seem that Escobar has Samsung in its target, Roberto Escobar tells us that it's Apple he's actually after. Escobar told Digital Trends, "I have told many people that I would beat Apple and I will. I cut the networks and retailers to sell to consumers phone that can fold for only $349. Phones which in stores cost thousands of dollars by Samsung and others. This is my goal, to beat Apple, and by doing it myself like I always have." He also said he has plans to file a class action lawsuit against Apple next year. As per reports, the Escobar Fold 1 smartphone was designed in USA and is being manufactured in Hong Kong, featuring unique technologies and design, and the initial production run is limited to 1 lakh phones. In terms of specifications, the Escobar Fold 1 uses an outfolding design like Huawei Mate X that turns the single 7.8-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus screen into a smartphone. The device is powered by a 2.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 8 series chipset, complete with Adreno 640 GPU and runs Android Pie. You also get dual cameras at 16 and 20 megapixels with OIS support. The phone is capable of holding 2 SIM cards and ships unlocked, so it can be used on your carrier of choice. It gets 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt charging speeds. The device will be available in 2 variants, with the cheaper $349 version shipping with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and for $499 you will get 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Escobar also praises that it is extremely secure, unlike Samsung and Apple devices that are 100% open to all government in the world. The phone is exclusively being sold from Escobar's website. I will link it below for more information. So do you think this phone will be better than Samsung or Huawei folding phones? And the obvious question, will it be better than iPhone? Comment your thoughts on it, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.